Virginia. Welcome to the States of America. And Cotton Cuts is the one who has come up with this monthly sew-along. And I decided to purchase this sew-along and try it out for myself. I love floral fabrics. It appealed to me. So here we go. We're on to Virginia. It's the very last one. It's number 10. This will conclude our July. Well, it's like an envelope. So in Virginia, the state capital is Richmond. The statehood was on June 25th, 1788. The state bird is the northern cardinal. The state flower is American dogwood. Production of hay, and the area is 42,775 square miles. Famous person is Floral Williams. And an interesting fact is the Chincoteague Wildlife Rescue is home to 150 wild ponies. And the quilt shop to visit is Patchwork Plus in Dayton, Virginia. I lived in Williamsburg, Virginia for about a year. Fun fact of mine. I loved it. It was beautiful. So here we go. We have all our colors. Sean, the guy who sews, also lives in Virginia. Another fun fact. And here is the beautiful floral fabric. Wish I had more of this. Love it, love it, love it. Here is the state block we are making. And let's open up our directions. I am going to put them on here. And let's go for it. So we are making more flying geese. Boy, do they love the flying geese. And we are putting aqua on this side and blue on that side. So let's start. When I think I'm getting better and better, it's taking me slower and slower. This floral is so beautiful. Andover is doing a lovely job with their floral fabrics. They are just beautiful. This is when I wish I had scraps from this fabric, because fabric scraps, but this fabric is just incredible. I wonder if Andover is going to come out with like a bundle, a fat quarter bundle of all these florals. I mean, they're just spectacular. All right, so there's those 4. What else do I need to do? I need to make 4 of the blue and white half square triangles. So we're going to run these half square triangles right through. Let's see now what our next step is. We then have, we need to press. That's our next step, pressing. So we are going to have our half square triangles, press, and put the other little bit on the flying geese. And all this gets pressed out. So we're going to press that out. And then for this, we are the blue. We're going to press towards the blue. So here we go. We have now this. Now we have to put in our aqua on the other side. So we'll match that up. It's just like a puzzle. It really is quite amazing. Have everything, and it just fits perfectly. Like where the dog ears would be, they're notched out, and the notches just match perfectly. So this would be my second month, 2 months of these puzzle floral state pieces, and I understand why people love it. I do understand. I did buy their Stitch It kit once, and I did enjoy that. That was nice too. All right, so now for that, now we have the blue, and the blue goes on the top of this. So we are going to now run these 4, right? Yep, these 4 right through. If you notice, I like to multitask, meaning that instead of just stopping for that one step, I'm going to go right ahead to the second step so I can continue chaining. We are 7 minutes in to this sew. And now we are going to take all these apart, and we are going to press. And now this, so here we go. We're going to set the seams, and then this is going to be pressed down. So opposite than what I would have done. They know what they're doing. All right, so we have these pieces done. Now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and put them that way. So we are going to sew that. That right along. It's a very pretty block. Very pretty block. I'm hoping that when I'm done, this is all going to be lined up. So now we have sewn that. This point we are 10 minutes in, and now we are setting this down, and we are pressing. There's one. Well, that looks pretty good. Two. Happy with it so far. All my points are hitting just the right spots. All right, so here we go. We have these 4. Now, this comes here. This gets rotated. This one gets rotated again. And this one gets rotated. So in the end, we will have a block that looks like this. So let's go ahead and sew that up. And let's see what happens here. So this one gets sewn this way, and this one means press. This one gets pressed this way, the other one gets pressed the other way. I'm gonna take and press. All right. So that looks like that. And I'm going to come in and pin away. I am going to pin away. Pin away the pinwheel. And make sure that center is where it should be. And there we go. So let's get this block going. And we are going to pop the seam in the center, but because I chained it, I have to take that center chain thread and there we go. And you kind of use your nails a little bit. Perfect. Wow, what a beauty. What a beauty. Wait till you see this block. There we go. Virginia, Old Dominion. The Old Dominion state. So this concludes all of July's blocks. That means that I am waiting for October's blocks. I mean, not October's, August block. Yeah, I'm waiting for October's too, but what I'm waiting for next is August blocks. I will not be here when my blocks come, I believe. So they will have to wait until I get home. So I have right now 10 blocks made up already. They're right here. They're going right into my bag. And I have my little pieces of paper, which I cannot forget. And put that into my photo album here. I have them right all in here. So that's cool. I'm gonna put that in there. And I'll close this up. It's gonna go away for safekeeping. Hopefully I don't lose it. Because when I put things away in safekeeping, sometimes I put it so safe, I can't remember where I put it. Go figure, right? Who else here has that problem? I can't be the only one. So anyway, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you're done. Maybe you're doing this and you're all done and you're waiting for the next shipment. But in any case, have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Pass it forward. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and share my channel. I love to hear from you guys. Take care. Bye.